Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a thrilling ride through the top 5 best electric scooters for 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter, an adventure enthusiast, or just looking for a fun and eco-friendly way to get around, we've got the perfect scooter for you. From sleek city cruisers to rugged off-road beasts, we've rounded up the best of the best. So, let's get started. Number 5. 350W electric scooter for adults. The 350W motor in this electric scooter lets you reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and travel up to 19 miles on a single charge. That's right. With the advanced battery management system, you can even extend that range up to 21 miles with a quick 3-hour charge. Perfect for your daily commute or a fun ride around the city. Comfort is key when it comes to electric scooters, and this one doesn't disappoint. It features front and rear shock-absorbing 8.5-inch honeycomb tires, which smooth out the ride even on bumpy surfaces. Add in the rubberized grips and reliable braking system with rear mechanical disc brakes, and you've got a scooter that's built for a smooth and safe ride. One of the standout features of this scooter is its portability. Made from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, it weighs just 28.6 pounds and folds down in just 3 seconds. Whether you're hopping on public transport, stowing it in your car, or just carrying it upstairs, this scooter is designed to be as convenient as possible. This scooter is packed with tech to enhance your ride. The LED display keeps you informed with real-time data on speed, battery life, and more. Plus, with Bluetooth capabilities and mobile app connectivity, you can control your scooter directly from your phone. The app also features an anti-theft lock, cruise control, and mode selection. Everything you need for a customized riding experience. Riding safely at night is no problem with the super bright LED headlights and rear brake lights. The scooter's IP54 waterproof design means you don't have to worry about riding in light rain or damp conditions. This scooter is built to handle various weather and environmental conditions. Number 4. Aovo Pro M365 electric scooter. The Aovo Pro M365 comes equipped with a robust 350-watt motor that can hit speeds of up to 31 km per hour and cover distances of up to 35 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it perfect for zipping through the city or enjoying a longer ride without worrying about running out of juice. With a sleek, foldable design, this scooter is incredibly easy to store and carry. Weighing just 12 kilograms and folding down to a compact size, it fits perfectly in the trunk of your car or under your desk at work. It features a dual braking system combining disc brakes and electric braking for reliable stopping power. The 8.5-inch solid tires and front and rear shock absorption ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even over rough terrain or speed bumps. It comes equipped with a bright front LED headlight and a rear tail light that flashes when braking, ensuring you're visible and safe during low-light conditions. The Aovo Pro M365 integrates seamlessly with its mobile app, giving you control over various functions such as speed settings, cruise control, and even locking the scooter. The app also provides real-time data on your ride, including speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Number 3. Off-road tire kick electric scooter. This beast comes equipped with an 800W brushless motor, giving you incredible power and speed. You can hit up to 45 km per hour and travel up to 45 kilometers on a single charge. For those who need even more range, the 16-ampere battery option lets you go up to 55 kilometers. Perfect for long adventures or daily commutes. One of the standout features of this scooter is its upgraded folding automatic lock design. With a simple one-click folding mechanism, you can easily collapse the scooter for storage or transport. The safety lock ensures stability, making it easy to handle and store whether you're at home or on the go. This scooter isn't just for city streets. The 10-inch off-road tires, coupled with front and rear disc brakes and EABS anti-lock braking, make it perfect for tackling uneven terrain, steep inclines, and even sandy roads. It has a 30-degree climbing angle capability, so you can conquer those tough hills with ease. The off-road tire kick. Electric scooter features bright LED headlights, rear brake lights, and turning signals, ensuring you're visible and safe on every ride. The HD LCD dashboard keeps you informed with real-time data on speed, battery life, and more. The wide pedal allows for a natural riding position, and the single-spring suspension system smooths out the bumps. With features like an electric horn and a voltage display, it's all about making your ride as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. Number 2. USA Stock Folding HXX6 Electric Skateboard Scooter. The HXX6 stands out with its dragonfly-inspired design, sleek and stylish. But it's not just about looks. This scooter is incredibly portable with its quadruple folding system. At just 10 kilo, it folds up compactly, making it easy to carry or store in any vehicle or even your closet. Constructed from high-quality aviation-grade aluminum, this scooter is both ultra-light and incredibly durable. It combines strength with a minimal weight, ensuring that it's tough enough for daily use, yet easy to carry wherever you go. One of the standout features is the detachable battery. Not only does this extend your riding range, but the battery can also double as a power bank. With multifunction USB charging, you'll never need to lug around a separate power bank again. The HXX6 is designed for ease of use. Simply press the power button, twist the throttle to get moving, and use the handbrake to slow down or stop. It's a smooth ride with responsive controls. The HXX6 features bright LED headlights and color-changing driving lamps to keep you visible and stylish. Plus, the red tail lights and warning lights ensure you're seen from behind. The scooter's LCD display keeps you informed about your speed and battery life. And for those who love music on the go, the HXX6 is equipped with high-fidelity Bluetooth speakers that offer up to 72 hours of playtime. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the advanced shock-proof spring system and free inflatable wall tires. The anti-skid pedal ensures a secure grip, even for riders up to 120 kilos. It's designed to handle various terrains with ease. Convenient hook. The Creative Hook feature allows you to liberate your hands by conveniently carrying shopping bags or other essentials. The USA Stock Folding HXX6 electric skateboard scooter is packed with innovative features and ready for any adventure. Perfect for zipping around town or commuting in style. Number 1. X6 Pro Dual Motors Electric Scooter. The X6 Pro features a sleek and sturdy build that's built to last. It's powered by dual 2400-watt motors, which means you're looking at a top speed of 55 km/h. That's fast enough to keep up with traffic, but still safe enough for urban riding. One of the coolest features is its upgraded folding automatic lock design. With just a single click, you can fold and lock the scooter. It's incredibly convenient for handling and storage, making it easy to carry or stash away when you're done riding. This scooter doesn't just look good, it performs like a beast. The X6 Pro can tackle steep hills with a 45-degree climbing angle. Whether you're cruising up a hilly road or navigating through rough terrain, the powerful motor ensures you have the SUV-like power you need. The scooter is equipped with a high-efficient concentrated power lithium battery. This means longer rides with more safety and durability. Plus, the HD LED dashboard keeps you informed with real-time updates on power levels and speed. It comes with both front and rear disc brakes along with EABS anti-lock electric braking. The double-hand grip brake system ensures you can stop quickly and safely, even in emergency situations. And for those of you who like to keep an eye on everything, the one-click power-off lock and voltage display allow you to monitor the battery status at any time. It's peace of mind built right into your ride. The X6 Pro features a wide pedal, 21 centimeters to be exact, so you can ride comfortably with your feet together. This ergonomic design ensures a more pleasant riding experience, whether you're commuting or just cruising around. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best electric scooters for 2024. Each of these scooters brings something unique to the table, whether it's cutting-edge technology, impressive speed, or unbeatable comfort. If you found the perfect scooter for your needs or want more details on any of these models, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.